I'm ready for a beating. Haha, this giant turtle is amazing. Ha, yeah, that's right, cry. 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 Oh, yeah, what? My name's Purple Kid, and I always go out for a beating. My daddy forbade, but they told me to give up beating. I wonder what I think I can be, if I can be human, invitation that is me. Oh. Robert. Big boy, hand right over the bully. Can it over the side? Hey, Robert, your mommy called you mad. Robert, your mommy called you mad. It's fine, dude. Every day, tell me you're so fat. Hey, let me just put that for you. Dang it, Daddy. It was Earth Day, Daddy. And you did that. Danny boy, I hate you so. But your mommy called you fool. You're so ugly. You're so ugly, you don't even know. Arnold, more like Mr. Arnold. So ugly, every human born is you. If I weren't here, could you be watching born? This scene is not suitable for kids who are under 5, even though, like, I've seen a lot already. A lot of pain. I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh hey, look, you same guy. Get up off. Give me that ball. I'm gonna hope the team win. Tuck it on me. Tuck it on me. Tuck it. Tuck it. You tuck it. It's really yellow. You guys won't take the ball. Ball. Yes. Yes, baby. Oh! Baby, you look like baby. I'm so angry. I'm so angry. Are you here? Baby. Hey. Hey, I remember you. Wanna have some fun? And then you're the only one who's not pale. I have to die. Take back history, Mom. It's gone. Let's say person that is watching this in February 2020. Then, but it was made in 2019 months. Oh my god. You're all gonna be won over if you do that. Which is good. I'm sorry that you guys have no teacher, like, wow, pressing. Oh. I've been waiting for this for so long. It's happening. Remember how you got into 7 minutes of this video? Well, good for you. Because now like this video. Because if you didn't, then I would get you in this game and put you on the board 100 times. Also, once again, I changed my channel name to Roomy Tato. Roomy. Say it with me. Roomy. Alright, these kids gotta die. Do not kill me. Kill me now. Get your weak. Never kill me. Hey, that took this guy. Hey. Ha, right on the wheels. The wheels on the back go round and round. Your face. Do you have any last words? No. But I'll say your last words for you. Face. Stupid. Die. Beep, beep. Oh, golly. Mario. It's me, Mario. Is this the first girl? It's the first girl. Hey, you look how hard you want today. Dang it. I have to protect my girlfriend. I'll carry you. Kill. I'm trying to give you piggy bank. Get away. I got one over, sometimes. 40, hey, meet again. Let's just take you to where we met. Give me that ball. Bodie, hey, how you doing? How's your weekend? How was it, Bodie? I mean, Folter, is you? do not answer me, then I'm gonna kill. You know what? I'll just call you Foe. Because I see this. You smell like so much like a Foe. You smell grossy to me. You smell disgusting to my classmate. I'm just kidding, nobody smells better than my classmate. Give me that ball back. Wait. Yeah, give me that ball. Give me that ball. You people need to stop taking the ball away from me. It's rude. If you guys want the ball, then go get it. Try. Apple Ninja tried leaving. Hey, let me just tap. I don't mean to be rude, but you guys. Hey, Apple Ninja, let me tell you a joke. What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can't tune a fish. Ba-dang, ba-dang, bash. I'm getting too bored, I just wanna kill all of you. And if I can run over by the little dude, then I'm gonna kill them too. That's how you come back here. Come back here, punk. Oh, are you still alive? I thought I killed you. Do you have any last words? At least I'm taking the ball with me. I always take my ball. Six figure jobs only for 6 figure jobs only for 6 figure jobs only for 6 figure. Yeep.